Explore the beautiful surroundings of Yogyakarta.
The fascination does not stop at the city limits. Around Yogyakarta, there are a variety of natural beauties that will leave you speechless.
Mount Merapi. Imagine standing atop the majestic Mount Merapi, an active volcano with breathtaking views of the lush landscapes below. Mount Merapi, near Yogyakarta, is one of the most active volcanoes in the world and one of about 500 volcanoes in Indonesia,
of which at least 129 are active along the Asia-Pacific island arc, also known as the Ring of Fire. Despite its activity, the people here have formed a close bond with the mountain,
accepting its rumbling and coughing as part of normal natural phenomena. The mountain has calmed down for some time now, but it still attracts hikers, rock climbers,
and adventurers who want to follow the hot lava flow from the last eruption, even though it has cooled considerably.
Whether you're a professional volcanologist or simply looking for adventure, the perilous ascent of Mount Merapi will fascinate and challenge you in equal measure. Whether you want to go up by jeep or climb, there is an experience for everyone. Volcano Mount Merapi near Yogyakarta, Indonesia.
Merapi Lava Tour in a 40-foot vehicle.
Start your day with a drive to the slopes of Mount Merapi, where you can enjoy the fresh air and breathtaking views.
Then, experience the adventure of a sightseeing tour in a 40-foot vehicle through the forest, including a visit to the remains of the last eruption in 2010, a tourist destination of high interest.
The comprehensive tour includes transportation and pick-up or drop-off directly at your hotel. A knowledgeable guide will accompany you and provide you with all the information you need.
Mineral water is provided for your convenience, and all entrance fees are included in the program.
You don't have to worry about parking fees either. Parangtritis Beach.
If you're more of a sandy beach fan, then Parangtritis Beach is for you. Experience exciting water activities or just enjoy the golden sun and relax in a gorgeous setting.
Parangtritis is only about 28 kilometers 17 miles from Yogyakarta, a perfect distance for a day trip to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy the relaxing atmosphere by the sea.
A breathtaking view awaits you. Green hills against the backdrop of the roaring sea. Take a deep breath and listen to the waves crashing on the shore as you walk along the beach.
If you get tired, you can rest in one of the shady shelters where you can sit for a small fee.
Close to Parangtritis Beach is the hot springs of Parang Wedding, where you can soak for 15 minutes for a small fee.
Enjoy the health benefits of these waters and feel rejuvenated after your soak in the warm water area. Explore the diverse regions surrounding Yogyakarta. Get out of the city and explore the enchanting regions surrounding Yogyakarta.
Kasongan. Experience the peaceful village life of Kasongan, where talented artisans create stunning pottery and ceramics. Kasongan is also known for its ceramic workshops. Works of art are produced here and exported locally and worldwide to Indonesia.
In addition to the traditional crafts, there are many galleries to explore that offer wood or stone sculptures in all price ranges.
Some pieces are replicas but available at incredibly low prices.
But if you want to experience the true essence of the place, go deep into the center here.
You will find individually crafted pieces by talented local artists using classic techniques.
Pine Forest Imogiri. Imogiri's picturesque pine forest offers you a unique opportunity to surrender to nature and enjoy the simple life of the countryside. Ecotourism is particularly strong in this area, as there are numerous forests, mountains, and hidden waterfalls to explore. One of the most popular places is the Imogiri Pine Forest, also known as the Mangunan Pine Forest. Many young people flock here daily to take great selfies in the subtropical forest. Not only that, but couples also like to use this place for their wedding photos, taking advantage of the romantic shadows under the pine trees to create dramatic photo scenarios.